We have a 2017 Acura MDX. This is a location of the engine air filter. It's important to keep the engine air filter clean so that the combustion can take place correctly in the engine. If the air filter is clogged, it's not good for the car. So there are 3 clips to remove the cover. 1, 2, and there's a clip back here. It's very difficult to see, but it's right here. So let's start with the easy ones that are right in front of us. So just open this clip. That one's open. Second one is open. Now the third one is located right down here. Just it's open now. So now you can see that this lifts up. We do want to be careful not to hit the sensors that are back here. We have sensors that are located right here. We want to be very careful, just gentle. So once you have this lifted open just enough, we're not lifting it open all the way like a refrigerator door. We're just going to gently remove this and pull it out. So as you can see, as this is coming out, look how dirty it is from the bottom. And I can even see some leaves that are stuck to the filter. So let's take it out. Look at this. We have helicopters stuck to this. We have leaves. We have a lot of stuff here. This is not great. Remember, to have an engine work properly on your vehicle, there are 4 requirements. There's fuel. That comes from the fuel tank. There's air, which is the one we're talking about here, that comes through natural aspiration, and it comes through the air filter, and from the air filter resonator from the front of the car, it comes up and then into the engine for combustion. So fuel, air, timing, and compression. So we are addressing air on those 4 items, and we want to make sure we have good airflow coming through here. This is not really a great air filter condition. Look at all this stuff stuck inside the fins. It's not really great at all. So we're going to clean the bin, and we're going to replace it. Look inside right here. It's not too bad. We'll just vacuum that out. We're going to take some cleaner. We're using Windex here, and even though no one is going to look at this, we're going to clean it anyway, because this is a good chance to keep it clean. The part number here is 17220 5J6-A10. So let's look at the new air filter compared to the old air filter. It's a pretty big difference. So to make sure that we're putting the engine air filter back in at the correct orientation, I always keep the geometry consistent to when I remove the air filter. And I noticed that there's language that's listed here. Tiger Poly Manufacturing Inc. And then there's some lettering down here. So I just put this air filter in the identical orientation. So now the language is identical, and then so is the marking down here. So this is the correct orientation, so we're going to put the air filter in now. Gently lift the cover to put the new air filter into place. Make sure to get the gasket in correctly. Okay, that's a perfect fit. So all we need to do now is get the door closed and put the clips back on. In order to get the cover back on correctly, we need to get inside of this rectangle and this rectangle over here, the plastic end clips or protrusions. We need to get them in place so it gets locked in on that side. And so we need to do that very carefully, and then it will snap into place correctly. So to get the clips into place, basically you need to push down. This is a flexible hose, so you can push down very gently to get them in place. So that one is in place. Okay, so the trick is to kind of point it down and then both come in together at the same time. So kind of point down like this, and then it comes into place and comes down. That's the trick. So now everything is fitting in place perfectly. So we're going to put this back clip back on. That's in. And these last 2 clips The job is complete. We've now successfully replaced the engine air filter on a 2017 Acura MDX.